Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. We have formed a double top for AXS guys, and we want to see whether we will go upwards or downwards, so stay tuned. Before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits. Only 50 people can join in, and of course guys, you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. You will get automated signal, buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more benefits. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below as well. We help each other every day and we respect each other. So hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Let's go now to the technical analysis. And you can see here guys, we have formed almost previously we said we have formed a double top, almost a double top right here, you can see. And now we want to see either if we go down from 15.6 or we stay upwards. But guys, things aren't looking good, and I will explain why, right? But for the time being guys, you don't have to make any move until we go above the 19.6 we talked about yesterday. Do not make any move until we make this as support level. Only if we make this as support level, then you can rebuy. This is not a financial advice, it was just my opinion guys. You can see now we formed a double top almost, and now we might correct a little bit. Our next support level is 15.6, around there, 50.7, 13.2, 13.3, 11.3 and 9.24. As you can see, these are 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, 9.25, around there. So definitely we have some support levels. The 50-day EMA, you can see the red line, we are far above the 50-day EMA, which is good, but of course we have some significant risk going on right here, and we formed almost a double bottom for the MACD. If we go down all the way below this support level right here guys, let me color it with a blue one so you can see it. If we fall all the way down, then it's over. Okay, I believe that if we lose this support level guys and we fall down, then I think the impulsive wave is over for AXS. The volume here guys is decreasing a little bit. You can see the moving average. It had a top near the 10th July almost, when we had reached our top right there, and now we are going a little bit down. Let's go now to the risk metrics, and you can see each time we are going higher, we are getting lower highs in the RSI. That is a bearish RSI divergence. Okay, and when this happens, when we are getting higher highs in the price and lower highs in the RSI, then this is a bearish divergence. Okay, so we are going into a top. This means that we are going into a top and we are having a very high risk. Okay, so the commodity channel index was in an overbought situation. Now it is not. It is between -100 and 100. Same here for the RSI. We are between 30 and 70, but here guys, we are looking towards the patterns more than where the RSI is, right? Because if you want to get experience with the RSI, you don't want only to check if we are in an overbought or in an oversold situation to buy or not. You want to check the patterns as well. On the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold situation, but we will see about that. If this impulsive wave continues, then we are going to check the stochastic RSI. If this is in an oversold situation and the impulsive wave continues, then we are approaching a bottom pretty soon, and then the impulsive wave will continue. But this has a small chances guys, this has small chances, and you should be careful. Although the correction is not going fast as we expected, fast down, you should be careful, and I think you should reinvest only when we form the 19.6 as a support level. You can see the 20-day EMA has become our support level actually, and if we go below the 20-day EMA and close below, then this will be not so great news for AXS. Okay, so let's go to the daily frame a bit. We had a buying opportunity here with the SSL hybrid. I won't go into the SSL hybrid again because we don't have any buying opportunity right here on the daily frame, any selling actually opportunity on the daily frame. We don't have to short our position yet according to the SSL hybrid and the Bollinger bands right here. If you check, we went all the way up along the top line of the Bollinger bands. Now we are correcting a little bit on the daily frame. Okay, So according to the daily frame, guys, you can see the RSI is still in a way overbought situation. Same here for the commodity channel index, same here for the stochastic RSI. So all of the indexes are in an extreme overbought situation. Right here for the MACD, guys, we might be getting soon a horizontal angle and therefore go down, crossing below the signal line, the orange line right here. Okay, so we might get that in the daily frame. We will see about that. Till now for the MACD we are good. I'm just saying that on the 4-hour frame we are seeing a bearish RSI divergence. Okay, and let's go now to AXS Bitcoin chart, because I don't want to stay on the daily frame much. I want to stay more of a short term, and you can see we have the same on the AXS Bitcoin chart, lower highs in the RSI and some higher high pattern right here. We are approaching a top, guys, therefore you should be a little bit careful for AXS Bitcoin. We are correcting a little bit, as you can see right here, and on the daily we are just above everything, right? You can see we are having a very high risk on the daily RSI commodity channel index. It looks identical, guys, to the USDT chart, the AXS Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. So right there where we are right now, you can see that we are having a very high risk due to the distance between the 20-day MA and the price. We have a significant distance between them. So when we are having this distance, especially, guys, on the 4-hour frame, we are consolidating a little bit. Okay, and we are having a very high risk. We need to let the 20-day MA reach the price. As you can see here on an impulsive wave, we corrected till the 20-day MA, then went upwards again. We could find the bottoms with the stochastic RSI also. Okay, so let's go now to the price analysis, and we have this, the 15.74, 13.2, 11.3 and 9.25, 26 around there. The prices are quite different, as you can see here on the previous chart, because if you move a little bit the price label, you will see that you get different prices. Okay, but it is not important, guys. You can see that we are almost near the price levels that we say. Okay, so they are pretty accurate. Do not worry about that. So right now, where are we going? Are we going further down? I believe, guys, if you see closing down from the 15.74, then it is the time. If you have bought around here or you want to take your profits, it is the time that you should take your profits. Okay, so I believe if you were the one that bought around at the bottom, you should take profits. It is okay for now. Better to claim your profits rather than waiting. Maybe if we get another swing high right here, it's more safe. So if you've bought around here, this area right there, and you are now in a loss, I wouldn't suggest to sell in a loss. Never I have suggested to sell in a loss, because you need to build your character. You need to build patience. And of course, you need to accept the fact that you didn't make a nice move, and now you have to learn your consequences. And of course, you can see that if you sell when you are in a loss, then this won't be good. Except if you are a very trader, a very guys experienced trader, and of course you have your stop loss, and it's okay then. But if you have bought around there and you are a beginner, then I never suggest to just sell in a loss. Okay, because when you're selling a loss, that's the only way you lose something. If you don't sell when you are in a loss, you just have lost something in your portfolio. You just haven't lost something in the reality. Okay, so don't sell right there. If you bought around here, do not sell when you are in a loss. If you are a new investor and you want to invest right now, then I would suggest you to wait. Okay, wait till we go below 15.68 to see the price action, because as you can see, we have formed a double top and the RSI gets lower and lower. The higher highs have stopped right here. Once we were on 30 June, we had one higher high on 4 July, and from then we are just having lower highs. Okay, so this means we are approaching a top. This is called the bearish RSI divergence, and you can see here, if we are about to continue the swing high, the impulsive wave, then by the time the stochastic RSI reaches a bottom around here, it will be very good to just go in above. But I would suggest you guys, only if we make the 19.6 as a support level, then you can reinvest and go for the 23.6. Okay, our next price target 20%, but only if we do that, because I keep getting asked if this is the right time to buy for AXS. No, it is not. No, it is not. It is very risky, and of course right now you can see the lower RSI. So now we are going a little bit on the Bitcoin here on the Bitcoin price action, and you can see on the 4-hour frame Bitcoin is going a little bit down. It is due to the commodity channel index. Nothing important, guys. We had an overbought situation. That's why now we are going down. Okay, on the 4-hour frame, we talked about in the previous video. So do not worry. This is normal. It is normal, but we don't want to crash all the way down for Bitcoin to go almost at 31,600. And if we go further beyond the 31,000, then of course this won't be good, but let's hope that we remain above. Anyway, you can see that right now we are forming a 4-hour frame bearish candle. The AXS Bitcoin chart almost corrects. It doesn't correct so much, and that is what, guys, I believe is the best for AXS on the 4-hour frame, right? You can see that even we have approached the double top, we just don't go down easily. We don't crash down. So that is good news for AXS, but you should be careful. Only if we go above the 19.7, I think you should reinvest. It is my personal opinion, of course, guys, and you should do whatever you like and whatever you want. If you trust it and you think that it can have another swing high, then okay, do it. But I'm telling you that the high risk we are having right here. Okay, I'm just telling you, I'm just pointing out how much of a risk we have to invest around there. And the Bitcoin, you can see now that we will depend, if we correct right now, when we fall down from this support level right here, we will depend a lot on Bitcoin afterwards, and maybe we will go further down than Bitcoin has done here. So eventually, guys, you can see that for AXS in the USDT on the 4-hour frame, we need just to wait. We need just to wait to see if we will bounce above the 20-day MA. For sure, if we will close actually above the 20-day MA, whether we will go down from the 20-day MA and go down from the 15.7, which is our one of the most actually important support levels for the short term. So I made this update to see that we talked about the possibility, guys, of having another top. So you shouldn't reinvest here before we go above the 19.6. And therefore, guys, we might be correct from the previous update. We might be wrong. Either way, I believe you should invest after we make this as support level. And for now, wait a bit. If you have bought at the top, be patient, guys. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Join our monthly subscription if you want to get easy profits, and only 50 people can join in. So book your seat right now. Link is in the description down below. For the Telegram group chat is in the description down below as well. And hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.